So you got your light. You can set up any direction you want. You guys can see that. Rotate is pretty simple. Today we're going to bring recessed lights, and these have a gimbal, so they pretty much rotate anywhere you want, forward and back. They don't have a lot of rotation, but look at this. They're very flexible, so you could want to light up certain areas of your house. You can do that, or you can just put it straight up. And then I like this. It's movable. And then of course this is going to be a 4-inch. It's not a 6-inch, right? So just make sure you, when you're doing the hose, it's a 4-inch. It has the clips, 2 clips, so you can mount them. It has the extension, so you can actually connect to the module box. This is the junction box right here that it has. But also in the box, you have controls for the actual light. All right. So right now we have 27K, 2700K. We got 3000Ks, 3500K, 4000Ks, and then 5000 max. So we're gonna do the lightest to the highest, and of course you can punch out your holes on the side to give you the extra connections. And right now we're going to test it out so you guys can see the brightness of the lights. So let's plug them in. You get your live, neutral, and then you also get your ground. So we're going to set these up and see how well it looks. All right, we're going to test the box out, and I got the connections here right now, and I'm not going to point it out to my face because it's a little too bright right now. And right now we have it at the lowest one. So let me move this to the side so you guys can see it better and see it more on the ground. So here on the junction box, if you guys can see, we're going to actually change it from the lowest to the highest. So I'm going to try to see if I go low, right, to high. And that's the highest it goes. So very bright, super bright light. And of course, this is a fixed. It's not. This is adjustable. It's not fixed. So you got your whole box going here. That's set up. So I like the lighting. We're going to go back again. I'm going to point it down so you guys can see the different tones. And that's the lowest. Go higher. There's a 5400. 5400 right there's the highest. Lowest, the highest. And then I'm going to go slow again. Very bright. So very good. Easy to set up. I mean, you got to make sure you have the proper cable and electrician to help you out. Now, when you're setting these up, you got to make sure you punch on the hole and make sure that you set up the tone that you want prior to setting up on the ceiling, because once you set up, it's kind of hard to get into it, right? You're going to have to take this off, disconnect this, and maybe even power off your system. So just make sure you're aware that this needs to be fixed on the power that you want prior to setting up. All right, setting up the junction box. Make sure you clip these on here, all right? Cable here, they clip on there and they're fit on that one. They get fit, and then all you gotta do is find your box. So you got your light. You can set up any direction you want. You guys can see that. Rotate is pretty simple. Once it's set up on your actual fixture, like I said, make sure, look at this. Make sure you set up, and this is a directional light. You could set it up anywhere you want, pretty much, and it rotates any direction you want. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.